Place value and face value. The place value of each digit in a number depends on its position in the number. Example. Write the place value of all the digits in the number 68,429. Solution. When we move from right to left in the place value chart, the value of each place becomes 10 times of the previous value. The face value of a digit is the same as the digit itself. It does not change with the change in the position of the digit. Example. Write the face value of each digit in the number 48,572. Solution. We know that greatest 4-digit number plus 1, that is 9,999, plus 1 equals 10,000, the smallest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number plus 1, that is 99,999 plus 1 equals 100,000, the smallest 6-digit number.